Hey John, thanks for choosing CS50X tutoring. Let's talk about hash tables. Simply put, a hash table is just a way of putting a lot of data into different buckets so that we can look at these buckets more quickly than the original data set. For example, if I were to give you this list of numbers right here, and if I were to ask you, John, is 65 in this list, you would have to look through the entire list and tell me that in fact 65 is not. But rather than giving you this list, let's say I were to give you two buckets, one containing the even numbers and the other containing the odd numbers. Now you know that 65 is odd, so you only have to look through the odd bucket and then you can tell me more quickly that 65 is not in fact in my number set. And if we split it up into multiples of 3 or 3 buckets, then roughly it should cut your lookup time into a third. So simply put, a hash table is just a way of splitting up your data set into all these buckets, which in C will be implemented as linked lists. A couple of rules: you should try to get as few elements in each bucket as possible to speed up lookup time, and it should be pretty easy to compute what bucket an element should be in, for example, if it's even or odd.